Hey there, Sam. Creating HTML tags can sometimes be very tedious. For example, every HTML document has to start with the doc-type HTML tag and followed by HTML, head, and body. This is a lot of things to write. Fortunately, we have this tool called Emmet that can simplify our life, and it is built into VS Code. I'll show you what I mean. Let's delete everything and start from fresh. If I want to generate all the boilerplate I had just now, all I need to do is to enter exclamation mark and hit tab, and boom, there we go. The magic that we performed just now is something called Emmet abbreviation. The exclamation mark is just the beginning. Now, usually if we want to create a div tag, we usually start with an angle bracket and type in div and close it. Kind of tedious. With Emmet, all you need to do is type in div and hit tab, and you're done. We no longer need to manually insert the angle brackets anymore. If I want to add a class, I just do div dot, which is the class CSS selector, container, hit tab, and done. The same applies with ID. Again, div hash symbol, which is the CSS selector for ID, and type in main, hit tab, and boom, we're done. If I want to specify a particular attribute, for example, the input, I want to have a type of text. All I need to do is type in input, square bracket, type equals the text, and hit tab, and done. Emmet can do much more than this. Now, if I want to have a section with multiple articles in it, I'll just type in section, angle bracket stands for children, and I want to have 5 articles. So articles multiplied by 5, and each article would have some lorem text. Hit tab, and magic. And if I want to apply some sort of class to my section and articles, all we need to do is add a dot in our Emmet abbreviation. So one more time, section, class of container, so dot container, and articles, class of text, multiplied by 5, and each of them would have a lorem text. Hit tab, and again, black magic. If you want to use a custom content instead of a lorem text, what you can do is to surround the content with curly braces. For example, I create a section, an article, and I want to put hello inside my article. So I surround hello with curly braces. Hit tab and done. So that's a quick intro to Emmet. And if you use it correctly, it can really save you hours and hours of time writing all these tedious HTML tags. Emmet can do much more than this. If you want to learn more about Emmet, the cheat sheet is in the description. That's it for now. I'll see you again in the next lesson. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon for more content to come. It will really help me out. Thanks for your support.